In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Yahoo email account into your Gmail, allowing you to manage all your emails seamlessly from one place. This process is straightforward and can save you time by streamlining your email correspondence. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Gmail on your computer. It's important to use a web browser for this task because some features we'll be using are only accessible in the desktop version. Once you have Gmail open, look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with several tabs containing various options for modifying how your Gmail functions. Once you're in the settings area, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Clicking on this tab will display a host of options related to managing accounts and importing data. Here you'll want to focus on the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Within this section, you should see the option to add a mail account. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. In this window, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email address. Carefully type in your Yahoo email and then hit Next. The system will then ask how you want to import emails. Make sure to select Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. This option will enable Gmail to retrieve messages from your Yahoo account using the POP3 protocol, an efficient and straightforward method for email transfer. After selecting this, click Next to proceed. Now you will need to input some server information for your Yahoo account. In the POP server field, enter pop.mail.yahoo.com. For the port, type in 995. It's crucial to ensure that SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, is enabled. SSL ensures that the connection between the servers is secure and encrypted, protecting your information from unauthorized access. Once you've double-checked this information, you can move on to entering your Yahoo password. Carefully type in your password and then click on Add Account. If you wish to have the added convenience of sending emails as if they came directly from your Yahoo account, you have the optional step of setting up Gmail to handle that as well. You'll find instructions for this right after adding your Yahoo account is complete. Once you've set up all the preferences to your liking, be sure to save your changes. Gmail will then begin the process of syncing your Yahoo